Hello guys, this is George and welcome to George Basics. In this video I want to show you guys how to buy BabySafeMoon Token on Trustwallet. But before we start, I want to mention that this is not financial advice and it's just video tutorial how to buy this coin. So I'm not financial advisor, and before you make the decision, please do a research and after that buy it. The first thing I want to tell you that you should know this thing before you buy, because there's some restrictions on selling this coin, and I will show you what it is. Here you can see rocket fuel protection mechanism. The BabySafeMoon rocket chip fuel protection mechanism is a system that counters trading dumps. The maximum sell is 0.1% of the total supply per 24 hours. So you should know this before you buy it, because you can't sell more than 0.1% of the total supply of last 24 hours. Guys, now let's go to CoinMarketCap. When you go to CoinMarketCap, you can see that this coin is up by 231% in last 24 hours, and you can see the chart, you can see the statistics. This will help you to make the decision. So after you make the decision, you should go to Trustwallet. If you don't have Trustwallet, you can download it from Google Play or App Store for free, and after you download, then go through verification. So guys, then open Trustwallet, and now you need to buy BNB, because to buy BabySafeMoon Token you need to swap your BNB to it. So first of all, go and buy BNB or just receive it from any other crypto markets. Just copy your wallet and send BNB to your Trustwallet account. Now guys, let's go back to CoinMarketCap. When you scroll a little bit down, you see Binance Smart Chain address. Click this copy icon and go back to Trustwallet. Click the apps, scroll a little bit down and choose Pancakeswap. Click select the currency, paste this contract address. Click this and you should choose the amount of BabySafeMoon token you want to buy, and then swap your BNB to it. So that's all guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.